Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and I have a question for you. Are you looking to start doing Facebook ads for your business? Before you write that first ad, you need to be aware of 3 Facebook ad rules for 2019 so you do not get your ad rejected or your account shut down. This is really important for those who are in the home business and network marketing spaces. So let's talk about the first rule. First rule, you need to review Facebook ad policies. Okay, that is the first thing you need to do, and you can go to facebook.com/policies/ads. Really, Facebook does a really good job of breaking down what they're going to accept. This is very, very important. Now, what you need to understand too, this is rule number 2, you need to understand the major prohibited items that Facebook isn't going to allow in ads. So let's break these down here. Any ads relating to tobacco, illegal or recreational drugs, unsafe supplements, adult products and adult content, surveillance equipment, and yes, MLM, okay? And the reason for that with network marketing is, again, we had a couple of bad apples spoil the bunch, okay? Where people will tend to make, in network marketing, where they tend to claim, make false claims about income potential or about, weight loss, where they're making these claims that if it happened for one person, it is going to happen for everybody, and Facebook doesn't want that. But I've seen many successful network marketers leverage Facebook ads to bring leads to them. So you want to stay with me until the end of this video, because we're going to show you how to do that with network marketing to get around that. Now, the third rule is when it comes to writing for your ad. So before you hit that publish, okay, you want to review this very carefully. All right, so let's look at each of these. Don't assert or apply something personal. So that means, you want to stay away from, if you're like doing weight loss, where if you lost, saying that you lost 50 pounds, okay, that is applying that if you lost 50 pounds, someone else is going to lose 50 pounds, okay? You don't, so the second is before and after pictures. So this is one where some people will, you might see this online where they'll post a before picture and an after picture. Again, misleading information. Facebook doesn't want that. Bad grammar or profanity. Okay, you want to make sure especially you're not using anything that would be considered profane or hate speech. That's the other thing that they're looking at as well. Misleading or false content. This is where with network marketing that people get into a lot of trouble, where they put income claims. You say something like make $100,000 in 6 months, okay? Or you're going to lose 30 pounds in the next 7 days. Those are examples of misleading or false content. Non-functional landing page. You have to make sure that before you hit publish, that the link you're going to be sending people to works. Non-existent functionality, that's right along line with the non-functional landing page. You got to make sure wherever you're directing people to, it's working. And then finally, Facebook's brand assets can't be used in any type of image. So you can't be using the Facebook logo, the Facebook name, anywhere in that image. That is going to get rejected. So when you're doing that, make sure, if you're offering a Facebook giveaway, on the cover, you don't want to be making, make sure that you don't have anything related to Facebook's brand assets. Otherwise, you are going to get that ad rejected. So there you have it, my friends. I hope these 3 rules helped you out. If it did, leave a comment and share. Make sure you follow me on Facebook by going to facebook.com/Dr. Lisa Thompson. If you're watching me on YouTube, click on the subscribe button you see in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now, if you're on Facebook, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel by going to the tab you see on my fan page, and you can subscribe there. Now, as promised, if you want to learn, if you're a network marketer and you want to learn how to structure a Facebook ad that will get you more leads for your business while staying in Facebook's good graces, we have a training for you, and it's a very affordable. You can see that on your screen, but it's going to show you how to get your ad up and running and staying under and being compliant with Facebook's ad guidelines. So if you're in network marketing, this ad is really going to help you out, this ad training. So if you want to get that, go to the link you see on your screen right now. I also have it as the first pinned comment in the comment section below this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.